Namaste. Navlikriya is an ancient yogic cleansing technique for the abdominal organs. As a preparatory practice, perform Agnisara Kriya to activate the abdominal region. It is important to develop proficiency in the three bandhas and Bahya Kumbhaka before attempting Navli. Navli consists of three stages: Madhyama Navli, Vama Navli, and Dashina Navli. Pull your abdominal muscles in and up under the rib cage, contract and isolate the rectus abdominal muscles, rolling them in a circular motion.